Here's the latest business news about how to start a new business for an additional income. Just to let you know, a new report just came out about how to make an additional income having an online business, and the findings are shocking. Hi everyone, my name is Bonita and I am a digital marketing consultant. So here's the latest business news. It turns out that the top 3 ways to make money online are through e-commerce, which is selling physical or digital products, affiliate marketing, which means promoting others' digital products, and print on demand, which is selling custom products like t-shirts, mugs, etc. The report also found that the average profit margin for these businesses is between 30 to 40%, which means that if you sell a $100 product, you can make $30 to $40 in profit. But that's not all. The report also found that these businesses are growing faster than traditional businesses. In fact, e-commerce businesses are growing at a rate of 29% per year. That's more than double the growth rate of traditional brick-and-mortar businesses. So if you're thinking about starting a business, you should definitely consider starting an online business. And if you need help doing that, get in contact with me to help you get started.